Good morning, student. This is the video number third and the last question and answer of chapter 1, Geography chapter 1. So, here is the first question. What is an ecosystem? As we all know, all plant, animal, and human beings depend on their immediate surrounding. They also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organism as well as the relationship between the organism and their surrounding from an ecosystem, that is known as ecosystem. And the second question is, what do you mean by natural environment? Natural environment consists of land, water, air, plant and animal. Thus natural environment refer to both biotic, as we studied in the further video previous video, both biotic and abiotic. Biotic means plant and animal, abiotic means land, etc. Condition that exist on the earth, that is called natural environment. And the question number third is, what are the major component of the environment? The major component of the environment are natural, land, air, water, living things, human made, building, parks, bridges, roads, industry, monuments, etc. and human, individual, family, community, religion, education, economic, etc. For the better understanding the question number third, you can see the first video, page number 2. Here is the diagram of human and human made and naturals. And what is question number 4? The question is, give 4 example of human made environment. Here is the answer. The 4 example of human made environment are building, parks, bridge and roads. Okay, and next question is, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top of layer of the earth. As we all know, it is made up of rocks and mineral and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountain, plateau, plain, valley, etc. And the next question is, which are the two major components of biotic environment? Plant and animal are the two major components of biotic environment. Plant and animals are the two major components of biotic environment. And what is the last question? What is biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone of earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Thus, plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere, that is the living world. That means the living world. Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, air interact with each other to support life. That is called biosphere. And the question number 2, take the correct answer. Which is not a natural ecosystem? Which is not a natural ecosystem? And the right answer is aquarium. Because desert have a natural system, forest have a natural ecosystem, but aquarium is not a natural system. Question number 2, what is not a component of human environment? What is not a component of environment? The option is land, religion, community. So the right answer is land. Land is not a component of human environment. It is a natural environment. Question number 3, which is a human made environment? Mountain, sea, road. Definitely roads. Mountain made by nature, sea made by nature, road is made by human made environment. Question number 4 is, which is a threat of environment? Which is a threat to environment? Which is a threat to environment? Growing plant population, growing plant, growing population and growing crops. Obviously, not the right answer is growing plant and growing crop. The threat to environment is growing population. Now we go to the question number 3, that is match the following: biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and environment. So the right answer, as you can see, biosphere, that is narrow zone where land, water and air interact. Question number option 2, atmosphere. Atmosphere means blanket of air. Third, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, the right answer is domain of water. And fourth, environment. The environment correct answer is our surrounding. Now question number 4, give reason why. The first is man modify his environment. Why? Give reason. Man modifies his environment. The answer is man modifies his environment to fulfill his need and make his life comfortable. Simple. Man modifies his environment to fulfill its need and make his life comfortable. He also modified his environment to adapt himself to the natural surrounding. Now, the second question is plant and animal depend on each other. Why? Give the reason. Why plant and animal depend on each other? Plant and animal depend on each other for their own sake. Plant release oxygen that animal breathe and absorb carbon dioxide that animal release. Okay, I hope you understand. Any doubt, you can message me. Now, is the activity and very short answer type question. What is environment? What is environment? Why is our environment changing? They all are insider questions. Okay, so you can see here and prepare for that and make the fair and send them tomorrow in the group. Okay, everyone make the fair of chapter 1 and send them on the group. Have a nice day.